Morning friends, last lecture we have to discuss of soft chemistry route, that is the first route that is we have to discuss, that is the ion exchange reaction. In this lecture we have to discuss the second route, that is the uses of the flux. Okay, look at this uses of the flux. The first point it is says that the painted onto the substrate metal at the junction of pieces to be joined. Okay, so you have to the painted on the substrate metal. Okay, you have to painted on substrate metal. Okay, you have to taken the substrate metal and therefore you have to paint it on substrate metal at the junction of the pieces to be joined, means the substrate junction of pieces you have to join, and therefore it is the uses of the flux. Means that the uses of flux means what, it is a flowingness of the it is a flowingness is a maximum, therefore it is a flux, and therefore it is a painted onto the substrate metal at the junction of piece. Means you have to paint on the substrated metal at the junction of piece, means your metal junction of piece, and therefore the paint and the substrate metal the paints and the pieces are to be a join. That is the uses of the flux. The secondly, the fuse onto the surface of the filler metal strips. Okay, therefore the fuse onto the surface of filler metal strip. Okay, you have to taken the uh, you have to therefore your flux, that flux you have to fuse on the surface of the filler metal strip. Okay, means you have to fuse on the surface of the filler metal strip, means you have to taken the filler metal strip and then you have to fuse on the surface of the metal, that is called as the that is the uses of the flux. Means that you have to taken the metal strip, filler metal strip, and then you have to fuse onto the surfaces, therefore it is useful for the fluxes. Okay, then thirdly, the whatever be the technique used, to most important thing to consider the amount of flux used. Okay, therefore different types of the technique you have to use, and but more importantly thing you have to consider the amount of flux are used. Means the how much amount of flux you have to use in the some of the reaction or this uses of the fluxes. Okay, then the too little flux, it is a tends to burn off and will be a ineffective. Okay, therefore you have to take the little of the flux amount, and that flux it is a burn off. Okay, that flux it is a tends to burn off, and therefore it will be ineffective, means it is a ineffectively on the burn. Okay, then thirdly, the excess of the flux remain trapped within the filler metals and it is caused the weakened joint. Okay, therefore you have to use the excess of the flux, it is a trapped within the filler metal. Okay, means you have to use the excess of the flux and it is a trapped within the filler metal and it causes a weakened joint, it causes a weakened joint. Okay, your joint material you have to weaken, by this you have to use the excess of the flux. Okay, then nextly, the flux is a combined with the metal oxide, it forms a glass during the soldering the process, that is a different to remove the completely. Okay, means what, you have to taken this flux and that flux it is a combining with the metal oxide forms. Okay, flux combining with the metal oxide form, it gives the glass during the soldering process. Okay, you have to know about the soldering process, that process it is a formation by the flux is a combined with the metal oxide. Okay, you are to taking the small wire of these metals. Okay, then you have to fuse them and that is formation of the fluxes. Okay, therefore it is a heating and the metal oxide it is a combining and it's formation of the glass during of the soldering process, and that is difficult to remove completely. Okay, then secondly, the two steps method for removing the residual flux. Okay, and then the blast joint immediately after the removal from the investment within the alumina adhesive particle, followed by boiling in water for about 5 minutes. Okay, therefore your blast joint immediately to remove from the investment with the alumina abrasive particle, followed by the boiling in water and about 5 minutes, therefore you have to use the fluxes. Okay, so this is the uses of the flux, and this is the second soft chemistry route, that is uses of the flux. Next time we have to discuss the sol gel synthesis. Thank you.